Section 1.6, Commission. Our objectives for today are to calculate straight commission and to determine the gross pay. Our essential questions for today: what are the risks of being paid on commission, and what's the difference between salary and commission? We're going to talk about these here in just a second. Commission is an amount of money that you're paid for selling a product or service. Commission rate is either a specific amount of money paid for each sale or a percent of the total value of your sales. Straight commission is the commission when commission is the only pay you receive. So looking at those definitions, what are the risks of being paid on commission? If that's the only money you receive, if you don't sell, you don't get paid. What's the difference between salary and commission? Salary is a specific amount that you get. Every month or every pay period. Commission is when you sell stuff, you get paid. So let's look at example 1. Bob sells commercial real estate at a 7.5 straight commission. Last week his sales totaled $290,000. What was his commission? So the formula they give us in the book is straight commission equals total sales times commission rate. So total sales is $290,000. The rate is 7.5%. You'll multiply those two and you get $21,750. Make sure you show your work. So I want these two things. Also make sure when you are typing in this, if you're using your percent key on your calculator, which you totally can, you have to make sure you put it in there. Otherwise, you're not going to get the right answer. If you don't use the percent key, 7.5% is the same as 0.075. So you can use either one of those, but you do have to use the percent key or 0.075. Minimum salary. Instead of working on commission only, you might be guaranteed a minimum weekly or monthly salary. Sometimes the commission you earn is compared with your minimum salary, and your gross pay is the higher of the two. So you're going to compare them at the end and pick the one that's higher. In other cases, you might be paid a base salary and earn commission in addition to this base salary. So when you get to that point in the assignment, let me tell you which number it is. Okay, it's the second page, and it says they're paid a minimum monthly salary. You figure out the commission, you compare it to that minimum salary, and you choose the one that's bigger. So for number 12, 28,000 times 8% is A, and then whatever that answer is, compare it to 2,100, and you're going to choose the one that's bigger. Don't add them together. Example 2, Marcia sells ergonomic chairs at the office center. She's guaranteed a minimum salary of $1,850 per month plus commission of 6.25% of her total sales. What are Marcia's total sales for a month in which her gross pay was $3,890? So $3,890 is what she's getting. She gets $1,850 for sure, plus 6.25% of her sales. I'm going to call it X. So the first thing we need to do is subtract 1,850. and you get 2,040. And then we'll divide by 6.25%. And you get 32,640. Now remember, you don't have to show this in an equation form. You could say, okay, she's already made 1,850. I'm going to subtract that first. And then you could do this very basic equation and figure it out from there. Number 3, page 113. I'm going to help you set this one up. Isaiah sells tennis equipment. He's guaranteed him a minimum salary of $1,500 per month plus 5.75%. What's the total sales in which the gross pay was $2,075? I'm going to do this one different. So he's already made $1,500, so let's find out how much is left. Get my calculator out here. So there's only $575 left. So we'll set 575 equal to 5.75% X. And I will let you guys figure out the rest of that one. Come with questions tomorrow.